This is not a cooking video.
Yeah, this was getting too big. But yeah.
I think my cabinets,
Yeah. Anyone?
stores some stuff, but it's more like a display. This area is more accessible, constantly changing, like a pantry. That is kind of about cooking. I'm not going to help anyone cook. Definitely needs to operate with socks. It's about how my kitchen works. It's about a tiny kitchen working fine. That's what it's about. It's about a tiny kitchen that works great for me. And find best food I can find and trying to eat well, I guess. Just trying to eat well, which is living, right? I'm trying to live well, which involves eating well. And in this, under lockdown that we've been experiencing, I think a lot of us are focusing more on, lifestyle, or we're focusing more on being at home. We're focusing more on our health. And health is directly connected to your home and how you live your life, and what you do to be healthy. So maybe that's what it's about. Maybe this is about being healthy, and design in your home has everything to do with your health. And the more you're at home, the more you realize it, and probably the bigger influence that your home has on you, right? So your home should be a place where you want to be, obviously. And my kitchen is something I love. I love my little tiny kitchen, and it serves me really well. So this video is just about how I do that. And I'm not trying to teach anybody anything. I'm just trying to show that it's there's a lot of different ways to do stuff, I guess, is what I'm trying to show. There's a lot of different ways to do it. A lot more mushrooms than that. I know. These are all organic, by the way. I think most people under spice, or under herb anyways, because they add the steaming. Just basically I need just I think that's good. So for me, it's more about quality than it is about quantity, which is the obvious cliche. I guess it's quality of life. So I know what the next question is. Since I'm shopping for house arrest here, I bought a lot of avocados, but my final touch here. So it's not too bitter. I put some of this on there. I expect I put a fair amount of it. Obviously, you could feed 3 people with that. I'll see how far I get on that. This area is like a display area because I hardly go in there. I mean, there are things I use there every now and then, like shot glasses, for instance, obviously. But I never use this. I mean, I have stuff that I just like that I like to look at. I know, crazy, right? It's all this tiny space I still have display.